Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. In this series of SQL 50 interview questions, we are going to solve this problem called percentage of users attended in a contest. So let's check this problem. This is problem number 1633 of LeetCode. In this table, we have been given two tables. First one is called users and second one is register. In the user table, we have two columns. First one is user ID and username. User ID here is the primary key. That means this is the column with unique values for this table. And each row of this table contains the name and ID of the user. In the register table, we have two columns. First one is contest ID and second one is user ID. Contest ID and user ID combined is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID of a user and the contest they registered into. We have to write a solution to find the percentage of users registered in each contest rounded up to 2 decimals. And we have to return the result table ordered by percentage in descending order. And in case two contests have same number of users attended, then we can order them by contest ID in ascending order. First table user table contains 3 users 6 to 7, and in the register table we have contest IDs and the users. If we look for contest number 215, we can see here that we have 2 users registered for this contest, 6 and 7. So 2 out of 3 users have registered for this contest. So that makes the percentage of users attended, that makes 2 by 3 into 100, that is 66.67%. So that's what we have to return here. And here explanation is given for the above tables, like all the users registered in contest 208, 209 and 210. The percentage is 100 because if we sort them in the answer table by contest ID in ascending order. Alice and Alex registered for the contest 215 and the percentage is 2 by 3, that means 66.67%. And Bob registered in contest 207 here, that means its percentage is 1 by 3 into 100. So how are we going to write the query for this problem? First of all, we need contest ID, so we will select contest ID, and then we will select to calculate the percentage. We need to count the number of users per contest. So we will count user ID, and that makes the count from here. And to calculate the percentage, we will also need the total number of users, and to count that we will select count star from users table, from users, and then we will multiply it by 100, and to round it up to 2 decimals, we will use the round function here. And then we will select this column as percentage, and we are selecting this all this information from register table, as like R, and to print for all the contest, we will group it by contest ID, and we can see here that we have to order it by percentage, so we will order by percentage, and it has to be done in descending order, so we have done it by descending. And then again, in case of a tie, we will order it by contest ID in ascending order, so we will also order it by contest ID and in ascending order. So that's it for the solution for this like a problem. And let's check if it runs or not. Okay, I think I made the mistake. Okay, here percentage. Now if we submit it, we can see that solution has passed the first test case, and now we will check for other test cases that are available in this problem. We can see here that it has been accepted by all the test cases, and it has passed all the test cases. So that's it for the this problem. And in case you have liked the solution, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And also, if you think that it can be solved by another trick or another approach, and that is easier than this one, then please do not forget to comment that solution, so that like I will consider it next time. And also, if you want me to solve some particular SQL question, then let me know in comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.